Hey, it's John with JWB at 3011 West 1st Street on the north side of Jacksonville for a final walkthrough. This is a renovation we have just completed. It is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Has a little front porch. This is the living room and kitchen. We will install a refrigerator and oven range before the resident moves in. This is the hallway and the first bedroom. The bathroom is a tile tub enclosure. And bedroom 2. Going back through the kitchen, there's a dining area in the back, and then this door leads to the backyard. And this is the back bedroom. You can see the backyard. And then the laundry room is in the back of the back bedroom, or laundry closet rather. So that will conclude this walkthrough. This home is ready for rent.